You may choose to use an additional research tool called Google Scholar. While unrelated to SJSU's OneSearch, you can set up Google Scholar to link over specifically to SJSU's research databases. In order to do that, simply go to scholar.google.com to find this webpage. You're then going to locate the top left-hand corner's menu button. That's these three horizontal lines here. Click on that and a new menu will pop up. You're then going to select Settings. From there, you're led to the Settings page, and you will want to look on the new menu that's on the left-hand side to find Library Links. Click on that, and you will be able to set up any library to link over specifically to your Google Scholar searches. Type in San Jose State University, and then click the search button. Once you've done that, you will see San Jose State University pop up as an option below. You can click the checkbox and then the blue Save button. From then on, whenever you do any sorts of searches, you'll be able to find that each item that you find will indicate if it is available at SJSU or not. If it is, you will see this link here, Find It at SJSU. And if you click on that, it will lead you right over directly to SJSU's library site, where you'll be able to log in and select the item there.